Here's Alexander on Christmas morning.
Say good morning, Dad.
Hi. We're gonna go bring him his stocking.
He has his cheese wrapper, so he's quite content. Oh.
Go get him his stocking, I know. Alexander. Hi. You wanna say hi? You wanna say good morning? Good morning. Good morning. He's a little sleepy still. What's Mom got for you?
Looky.
Look what
What's
Santa
in here?
brought.
What's in there? What is it?
Looks like a little truck.
Can I hold it?
Ooh, a
There's
little
more.
truck.
Can you get on? Yay! Let's see what else is in there.
Got some trucks and some blocks
And some socks!
and socks. What do you think of that? He's like, I don't know what to think.
Look at your cars. Woo! Dad's not very good at driving cars, is he? Woo! Lucky, here's an airplane. Ready?
Nope.
What are you doing?
Here's Christmas morning. Here's what Santa brought Alexander. A ball pit. And here comes Alexander.
See, Mom put on slippery socks. Okay, let's go. Let's go in the living room. Look and see what's in here.
Here he comes. What's that? What's that?
What is that?
What is
Are there
that?
balls? Come here.
Yeah, it has a bunch of balls in it, huh?
Can you sit down? What do you think?
Whoa. How do they taste?
What are you gonna do with all of those? Can you throw them? Throw them. Whoa! 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 Whoa!
I think he likes it, Mom.
I think so.
We probably could have got him just 2 balls and he would have been just as happy, but...
Here, can I have one? No way? Thanks. Can I have one? No way? Here you go. No.
What are you doing?
all those balls.
Hi, Mom.
Morning. Can you get out of there? What are you doing? Yay!
Alexander's been him. Ooh,
Are you helping Daddy open presents?
a striped shirt. Just what I wanted. Thanks. Thanks, Alexander. Yeah, thanks. I bet you picked this one out because it matches your PJs, huh?
Where are you going?
Somewhere else. To his toy corner.
Come here. Look at what I got.
Here's Alexander. Mommy opening her present from Alexander. He's gonna help her unwrap it.
Oh, pull. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, Daddy got it. Good. Okay, pull. Good job. Let's see what's in here. Yay! It's a new belt. It's a new belt. All right. Mom needed a new belt, huh?
He picked it out all by himself, sorta.
Did you pick that out for me?
How's it taste? Does it pass the taste test?
Was it the one that tasted the best?